Hi, today I'm going to make some mustard roasted chicken thighs. I'm going to use the Kasuri air fryer and a very simple recipe. It came from one of the Kasuri cookbooks, the one that came with our Wi-Fi air fryer. We have a couple. Today I'm not using the Wi-Fi, but I am using the recipe with the same settings and recipe. So I'm starting with 4 chicken thighs. These weigh about 3 pounds altogether. The recipe is very simple, but before I show you how to mix that, I'm going to preheat the air fryer. Alright, there's a preheat setting here. It says 400 degrees for 5 minutes. We're going to change it to 380 degrees because that's our cooking temperature for the chicken. And we're going to press start. Now, I know that this is a very quick recipe, so I'm going to make that while it's preheating for 5 minutes. We're going to use some Dijon mustard. Calls for 2 tablespoons. After that, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. We like to use the natural maple syrup, but you can use the pancake syrup if you'd like to. Let's add 2. Then we need some spices. Let's add garlic powder, granulated garlic, or if you want to add natural garlic, just make sure you chop it real fine. Then we're going to add some onion powder. We like to use the minced onion. It's a dried onion like the powder, so I'm just going to add a little bit extra, but you can use the regular onion powder, a half teaspoon. Then you can use a 1/4 teaspoon of paprika. Now I use the smoked paprika. Alright, a little salt and pepper. And mix it up. Now it's not a lot of liquid here, but it's just something we want to coat the chicken. Mustard roasted chicken thighs. Now that's the consistency we should have. Let's open the pack. Now rip open the seal. And as we get them out, we're just going to clip off a little bit of the extra fat on the skin. Dunk it in the bowl. Get them all in there real quick. And the air fryer will be ready in a moment. Okay, I think it couldn't be easier. Shift that aside. What we want to do is get all the surfaces coated with the mustard sauce. Alright, you can see it took less than 5 minutes. We got 1 minute to go. Let's get over to the air fryer and we'll get them right in. Now this will be good and hot, and you can see on here there's a chicken setting. That's a preset. Alright. Now let's lay the chicken thighs in here, skin side up. You can hear them sizzle when they hit the pan, because that's one of the advantages to having a preset. Space them out so there's a little bit of room in between. And then we're going to take the extra sauce and we're going to top it off. Make sure everyone gets a little extra on the top of the skin here. Alright, while it's still hot, let's get it right back in. And then we're going to use the chicken preset, 380 degrees for 25 minutes. And off we go. We'll be back. Alright, we're about halfway here. Let me show you a little peek. I think I'm going to turn them over for a few minutes. I hope that, yeah, that's nice. Let's turn them over just a couple minutes and then we'll, if possible, we'll turn them back. Let's see how that goes. Alright, let's put them back in. Alright, I'm going to flip them back over to the original. Listen to all that sizzling in there. Alright, we're back to skin side up. They look gorgeous. We're going to put them back in for a few more minutes. Alright, there we go. Let's check the temps. Check the temp, it's 195 degrees. Alright, let's get them out on a plate. But they have a delicious puffiness about them and a nice smell of this mustard sauce. I'll show you the other side. How nice and golden brown. Woo! Alright. Now this is going to be part of our dinner. Okay, let's just take a quick peek inside here and look at that nice juicy meat for chicken thigh. Woo! But I just wanted to show you a recipe that you can make so quickly with your air fryer. So many people say to me, what can I make in my air fryer? Get a pack of 4 chicken thighs, mix up a little mustard sauce, a few ingredients, and you'll have a nice piece of chicken for your supper. Hope you like this recipe. Thanks for watching.